Do you own a piece of land and dream of increasing its value by building a home on it? Whether you're looking to sell or rent, let's make your land work for you. Consider a manufactured home which costs between $80,000 and $95,000. It's a cost-effective solution that maximizes your land's potential. After selecting your home, then site work construction begins, with additional costs in order to cover all setup needs and utilities. Upon completion, and depending upon where you are located, the total value of your property could range from $240,000 to $500,000. Whether selling or renting, you could net anywhere from $45,000 to $90,000 in profits. Transform your empty plot into a profitable investment today. Build a manufactured home and see your land's value soar.